Namaste children. Today we are going to see class 10 worksheet question and answers. Question number 1. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Magnesium ribbon was cleaned with the sandpaper before burning because magnesium is a very reactive metal and it can react with oxygen present in the air to form a layer of magnesium oxide on it, which does not burn, and hence it would hinder the burning. So it has to be removed or cleaned with the sandpaper. So now the second question, write the balanced equation for the following chemical reactions. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. Barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate gives barium sulfate plus aluminum chloride. Sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Let us write and balance these equations. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. Let us write the symbolic representation for this. Hydrogen, formula for hydrogen is H2 plus chlorine, it is Cl2. Both are diatomic gases, so it is a H2 plus Cl2 gives hydrogen chloride. Formula for hydrogen chloride is HCl. So this is the equation. Now in this equation we have to balance. For balancing of equation, the method used is heat and trial. Why we want to balance each and every equation? Because of law of conservation of mass. In order to satisfy law of conservation of mass, we have to balance each and every equation. So due to law of conservation of mass, we have to balance the equation. So according to this law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. So now we will try to balance. So for balancing, an easy method is we will draw the tabular column. We will write element name and LHS. In LHS, how many elements are present? So now here hydrogen, one element hydrogen and another element is Cl. So how many atoms of hydrogen is present in LHS? So it is 2. How many atoms are Cl is present in LHS2? Now in the RHS, how many hydrogens are present? Only 1. In chlorine, how many is present in RHS? Only 1. But according to law of conservation of mass, each and every atom must be equal both in LHS and RHS. LHS means it is a reactant. Reacting molecule is called a reactant. Product, a newly formed one is called a product which is present in the RHS. Both should be equal. The number of atoms must be equal. So in order to make it equal, we can multiply by 2, both hydrogen and Cl. So but in order to remember, we should not change anything inside the square bracket because then the formula itself will change. That's why we are balancing any number. If we want to write, we have to write only outside the square bracket. So the square bracket is indication for the beginners not to change anything inside the square bracket. If we change anything inside this bracket, inside this box, then the formula itself will change. That's why we are drawing a box around that formula for every element. So here hydrogen plus chlorine, H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl. So in order to balance, we are writing 2 in front. So now it has become 2H and 2Cl. Now the 2 which is written outside the box is common for hydrogen as well as for Cl. So now everything is balanced. Now it is a balanced equation. So how to read out this equation? H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. Let us solve the next equation. Barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate gives barium sulfate plus aluminum chloride. You can see here this barium is exchanged its partner as sulfate with the sulfate. Aluminium exchanged with the chloride. So the product formed in this manner. Now let us write the formula for this barium chloride. BaCl2 formula. Now aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 thrice gives barium sulfate formula BaSO4 plus aluminum chloride formula AlCl3. Now writing of equation is over. Now the next step is to balance the equation. So in order to balance, we will write the tabular column. Element, then LHS, RHS. So now here what are the elements? Barium, Ba, Cl, next Al, sulfur and oxygen. These are the elements present in this equation. Now let us write how many atoms are present in both LHS and RHS. Then we will compare. So in LHS, barium, only one barium. Cl, 2 Cl. Aluminium, 2. Sulfur. When we write SO4 thrice, this 3 is common for sulfur and for oxygen. So 3 into sulfur. So 3 sulfur is present. For oxygen, 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 oxygen is present. Now in RHS we will compare. Barium only 1. Sulfur only 1. Oxygen only 4. Here aluminium only 1. Cl 3. So we want to balance in order to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. So we have to do by hit and trial method. Always we want to hit the largest number. So here the largest is 12 in the LHS, that is oxygen. But in the RHS only 4 oxygens are there. So if we multiply by 3, 4 3s are 12. So before doing this multiplication, in order to remember, we will draw the box around the formula, so that the box will indicate us not to change anything inside that. If we want to balance, for that purpose any number should be written only outside that box. So now 4 3s are 12. So we have to write near the oxygen, there we have to multiply by 3. So here oxygen is there, we will write the number outside. So 4 3s are 12 oxygen. So when we write this 3 outside, now every element inside this box is changed. So now 3 into Ba, it has become 3Ba. Now sulfur, 3 into sulfur, it has become 3 sulfur. Oxygen, 3 into 4, 12. So oxygen is over and sulfur is correct. But barium, now barium has changed into 3. But in LHS only 1 barium is there. So we have to multiply by 3. So we have to write in front. So now when we write the number 3 in front, so 3Ba, 3 2s are 6 Cl. So it has become 6 now. So barium is balanced, but now Cl is not balanced. But now here Cl is only 3 in the RHS, in the LHS it is 6. So we have to multiply by 2. So we write number in front. Now when we write 2 here, the 2 is common for aluminium as well as for Cl. So it has become 2 Al. And 2 into 3, 6 Cl. So now everything is balanced. If you want, we can check one more time. So here 3 Ba, 3 2s are 6 Cl, 2 Al and 3 sulfur, 4 3s are 12 oxygen. Now in this side, in RHS also we'll check 3 Ba and 3 sulfur and 3 into 4, 12 oxygen and 2 Al, 2 3s are 6 Cl. So everything is balanced. It is a balanced chemical equation. How to read? 3BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice gives 3BaSO4 plus 2AlCl3. Try to balance the next equation. Sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Symbol for sodium Na. It is monoatomic, plus symbol for formula for water is H2O. Gives sodium hydroxide. Formula is NaOH plus hydrogen H2. It is a gas. Now to balance, we will write element and LHS, RHS. Elements here sodium, hydrogen and oxygen. Sodium in LHS 1, hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1. In RHS, sodium 1, oxygen 1, hydrogen is here 2, here 1, 3. So now we want to balance. Only here hydrogen is 3 and here 2. So in order to balance, first before that we will put the box. So the box reminds us not to change anything inside that. So here when I write 2, so now it is becoming 2 hydrogen and 2. So it has become now 4. Hydrogen has become 4. At the same time, now this 2 is common for sodium as well as for oxygen. So 2 sodium and 2 oxygen. So why I selected here? Because in this place it is odd number. So when we make it an even, it will be easy. So here when I write 2, so it has become 2 hydrogen. Already here 2, so 2 plus 2, 4. Now in this side, if you multiply by 2, so it will become 4. So now the oxygen also changed into 2. Now all these are balanced, only sodium. So we will multiply that sodium also by 2. Now the balanced equation is 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2.